on it.
Well, I noticed that there's a race car on the toilet seat.
You notice though that when you sit on it, the whole toilet seat doesn't
No, it
start
doesn't
moving
anymore.
around.
Andrew fixed
yeah,
it.
I know.
Yeah.
It
No,
doesn't?
no.
I didn't notice that it doesn't. I didn't
You
realize
would
it
have
was
noticed if it
Yeah,
did.
you had to sit real careful on it.
Ours
There'd be no
was
squatting on it,
getting
that's
that
for
way
sure.
too. I was beginning to be afraid I was going to fall in.
Your bathroom is so cold, though. I'm always
My
surprised.
bathroom is terrible. Yours is warm.
It's warmer than yours, I feel.
Oh, you
Except
had
when
that
you
little
open the
hood.
window.
Well, I would always take a shower before I'd use the bathroom.
You know, I bet that was part of it though. Yesterday when we had the meeting, or
It probably was that window.
no wonder we were cold.
I was just doing it to help
But look
you
what
guys
it
out.
did.
All I know
now
is
we
it
know.
is the
next,
heat's on and it's warm
next
in
year
here.
we'll leave a little note in here for whoever lives
Yeah.
here.
Oh, guys, don't talk like that. Holy cow, this was
Greg
not going
is
to be
real
the same.
good about turning up the heat. So what you have to do, open your door before the meeting, let it get really cold, open the window upstairs, and sit here and shiver.
Offer blankets to them.